Here we go. What is going on, guys? Teflon here. Welcome back to another one. It's Friday at 5 o'clock. I just got off work and we are going to install my headers right now. This is going to be a 2-day type deal. Now, I got my headers in the back. If you saw my last video, 2M Fabrication CATLESS headers. I am excited. I am a little worried. I am a little scared, mainly because one, they're CATLESS, and two, my active exhaust is not working at the moment. Yeah. It's the last time that it's going to be anything reasonable. Now, just a quick thought before we're almost there and before we get going. I am curious what it's going to do to like the tone of the exhaust. I bought the Corsa Extreme because to me it sounds better than any other exhaust, and it's not even close. And I really like that high-pitched kind of exotic sound that it brings to the car. And I'm just curious. I understand it's going to be louder. My question is, I'm curious how much different is it going to sound? You know, is it going to change the tone? Is it going to sound just like the Corsa Extremes, no different, but just louder? Is it gonna sound like a whole new exhaust? We're about to find out though. Yellow.
Okay, so the door right in front of you, come in that one.
Got it.
First door.
The one, okay, the one that, like the normal one almost?
Yeah.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, about to start. Getting everything out of my car because it's going to be out of commission for a couple days. Let's get it. Up and away. Lowered life. We literally had to jack the car up to get it on the lift. So I was putting the intake on. I dropped this little cat cover thing into the engine bay. I thought I'd never see it again. And I raised the vehicle and found this motherfucker sitting right here. It's been here the whole time. Unbelievable. Fuck you. We got a header out. And it took about as long as everything else that we've done combined. You have to take the studs out. I don't know how you could possibly even get it out without those getting out, but halfway done, not quite halfway done. And it started shitting outside out of nowhere. I thought hurricane season was over. We got one side on. This install is a bitch. As hard as you think it's gonna be harder. So hopefully it's worth it. I think we worked longer and got more done than we thought we were going to tonight, and we'll be back in the AM, but that's it for today. Be back in the morning. stupid.
Then have a balanced flywheel.
God damn.
So you can get it on there and then I want to see how close you are to the sidewall. If you get stuck in there.
Why was that side so much easier than the last? That side came right out. The other side we had to take all the studs out and it was a bitch. It took like an hour or two just to get the other side out, and this one slid out without taking any studs. We saved the easiest part for last. All right, here we go. It's so loud. See ya. Bye, Jeff. It's so loud. It's so loud. Holy fuck. different. It is way loud. Oh my god. God.
Oh my god, I think it just came.
Dude.
See that crackle? Right
Yeah,
into the foot.
yeah. Oh my god. There's nothing low-key about this car. There never was, but now. Silence.
That was in fourth.
Throwing it in fifth. I mean, there's nothing. Sixth. Hey, Ethan, can you hear me?
Yep. Perfect.
Oh my god.
Cruising at 49.
I was speechless after I put the Corsa Extremes on. I have even less to say now. I'm kind of scared. Kind of excited. A little nervous. Happy. I am every one of the emotions. It's a lot. It's a lot. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. I just wanted to install first impressions. I'm still blown away. I'm right on the fence of it being too much or not. I have a bunch of stuff I'm gonna do with this, and I can't even park. My garage is in that corner over there. And if you've been following, my stupid active exhaust doesn't work right now. And there's patios and people that chill right there. Like, I've been trying to get a different garage, not in the corner, or get my active exhaust fixed, and the parts on back order and all this stuff. So I'm actually having to park, like, there's the edge of the property, like away from the building, pointing away, because I can't. It's too much to park over there. It's too much. It is unbelievably loud. I don't know what else to say. I mean, it's a lot. It's a lot. But much more to come. This is the end of the video. Thank you for sticking till the end. If you did, you know I appreciate you. Smash the like button, subscribe, and watch out for the next video. I'll see you there.